Hello friends, whywhat.com में खुश आमदीद। This video is how to use OL and UL in HTML। तो चलें इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। Open an HTML file, it's blank HTML file and its basic structure of HTML file। OL stands for ordered list। अब हम इस ordered list में कुछ li tags ऐड करेंगे। li stands for list item। I'm just adding 3 LIs. First LI is CPU. And second one is mouse. Third is keyboard. And I'm just adding some text. Example of OL means ordered list. And now open the browser, reload the page and see this. It's numbered order list, CPU, mouse, keyboard. Now I'm gonna add UL, unordered list, just adding some text. Example of unordered list UL. This is same as OL, just change as UL and OL, and it's list item of UL. Mouse, second one is CPU and third one is keyboard. And go to the browser, reload this page, and yes, it's unordered list, mouse, CPU and keyboard, and we also see bullets। तो इसी के साथ हमारी वीडियो का इख्तिताम होता है। मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।